Hello, hello, hello. So today I'm hiking my own custom route to the top of Snowdon. So I'm starting up the Watkins Path up to the summit, and then when I reach the summit, I'm then going to go back down along the miner's track, the miner's path. That way I get to see this side of the mountain and the harsh landscapes you have on this side, and I get to see the beautiful lakes that are on the other side. I've been up here a fair few times myself. I've also done a lot of research into the mountain, and I genuinely think that this is the best route you can take up to the top of the mountain. So it should make for a really, really amazing day. I just wanted to quickly say how blessed I am today with this weather. Every time I've been up Snowdon in the past, it has been a gloomy or a cloudy day, and I've never seen views like this from Snowdon. It's incredible. It's been such a beautiful walk so far, so much fun. I've met and spoken to some really friendly and funny people, and yeah, it's just such good vibes along this path. I'm nearly at the summit. At the top. Woo! I did it, I summited at something like 11:22 on the 21st of July 2021. I was the tallest bloke in Wales. It's been a wonderful day, it was a wonderful walk, and now I've got this lovely miner's track to look forward to next. So down below there are two huge big lakes, and they are clear blue water. It looks very enticing in this 25-degree heat. I didn't bring any swimming trunks, and I definitely don't have a towel either, but I'm thinking I might give it a go, maybe. I'll think about it on the way down. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say it's been really lovely so far, and I'm looking forward to the last bit. I'm over the hump, I'm over the peak. Now I just get to enjoy rolling down the hill for the rest of the day. That little swim was so much fun. I've never done that in Snowdon before. I haven't done that for years. I did that with my brother back in the day when we went to Switzerland, but nowhere around here. So yeah, that was really fun. It feels really fresh, and obviously, you know, it's straight from the mountain, so it's not that polluted, I assume. And yeah, it was really, really fun. A good way to end that hike, especially on a day as hot as today, which is like 25 degrees plus. Yeah, if you're thinking about doing that, do it for 100%. And if you're thinking about doing this hike, I hope this video has inspired you to come and check it out. The Watkins plus minor track hike that we put together. It's so cool, and at the end of that water part you get to a sort of building area and you can take a bus back to the car park from there. But I have actually made an extended edition where if you would like, you can carry on hiking down the mountain and go right the way through a couple of campsites, through some interesting areas, this is like an ancient wood. Every tree is covered in moss and most of the paths are covered in moss as well, and fallen trees. So yeah, if you feel like an extended edition, I'll be sure to leave that in the description for you as well. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I've had such fun filming it. I am a little bit sunburned and quite tired now, so I'm gonna go back to camp, go and chill out, and maybe watch the sunset in the mountains. Ever since I started making this regular hiking content, I've continuously been asked about the equipment that I use to make these hiking videos, as well as the equipment that I use to, make the hikes possible. So I'm planning on finally answering these questions by making a singular video that outlines all of the equipment I have and all of the equipment I use for pretty much every hike and every video that I make. So if you have any questions about the equipment that I use for these adventures, then please feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. So yeah, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and come and join our little community. We're building it slowly and steadily, but we're having a great time doing it. And it's all positive vibes, it's all about adventure, it's all about hiking, it's all about filmmaking, and we would love to have you here. So yeah, hit the red button and join us.